Hey everybody, as you can see here in our video of how to make a gaming PC, we got the Thermaltake case, it's a mid-tower, we got the B550 MSI motherboard Gaming Plus, TP-Link AC1200, Wi-Fi adapter, Thermaltake power supply, and of course the MSI 8GB graphics card. It's a 580. Right here you can see we're going ahead and putting in that motherboard and CPU. We're going to make sure that we securely fasten it to the case. And we're going to do that right now. Welcome back everybody. As you can see here in our video, now we're going to go ahead and set the CPU cooler. Make sure you use a really good thermal paste when you're doing this. You want to make sure that you're getting the best conduction out of that cooler, and making sure that your CPU is cooling properly. Okay, we want to make sure our CPU stays nice and cool. Now we're going to go ahead and put in this CPU cooler now that we have our thermal paste on it. Want to make sure that you don't over tighten your screws. It could bend your pins on your CPU. It could damage the CPU. You want to make sure you don't overly tighten it, but you want to make sure it's securely fastened. Another key component in our PC build, this step right here is going to be installing our Corsair RAM. You want to make sure that you pick the correct slots. They're numbered on the motherboard, but if you have questions, drop comments below. Feel free, I can add in any detailed information I have. But you want to slot 1 and slot 2. If you have more than that, then you fill up all your slots. Welcome back guys. So here in the video you could see we're installing the power supply. It's a Thermaltake 600 watt. As you can see, we're putting in that power supply from the back side of your case. It slides in, it's held together with 4 screws. That's it. Make sure not to over tighten these screws again. You don't want to strip those out. Alright, from this point forward, we're installing the TP-Link AC1200 along with our SSD on the motherboard. We're also making sure that we put in our RX 580 graphics card, and making sure everything's seated properly. Make sure all your screws are tightened right. And then from this point, it's just going to be cleanup. From this point forward, we're just doing tighten up adjustments on all our screws, making sure that our wires and cable management's done correctly. Alright, right here you can see we got it all together now. Cable management clean, everything installed right. We'll go through a boot up process. We're going to see how it operates right here. Booted up great, looks good, everything looks like it's supposed to. Made sure we run a few tests on it, make sure the PC is functioning properly. Made sure we opened up our control panel, made sure that everything was running efficiently. Not to mention, make sure you check your temperatures. You can do that with an outside application, or you can do it through your BIOS. With everything running smoothly now, we have a successful PC build, guys. If you like this video, make sure you drop comments below, like and subscribe to our page, and that's our show.